Okay, now for part 2. So first thing I'm gonna do is section the front from the back. I'm gonna clip this section out of the way. Got my brushes, my nozzle attachment. This is so important for your blowout. And I know you guys are gonna use like a Dyson, but that's like a 2-in-1. I'm telling you, there is something about using 2 separate tools to do this technique. Starting in the back, I'm gonna take a section at the very base of my wig. When the brush is all the way down here and you need to get the brush back up to the root, you gotta use the blow dryer because you can't stop and you can't put everything down just to move the brush again. Under the hair, like that, and go right back up to the root and flip. Just roll that hair out of the brush. Take your roller, while it's still hot, grab a pin and pin it in place. When you're doing this round brush technique, you probably want to keep the melt band on. I took mine off because I just feel like I couldn't get into those little nooks and crannies. But I don't want my lace to be lifting while I'm round brushing the wig, and you do have to pull. There's a certain amount of tension you have to use so that the curl comes out like fluffy. So yeah, probably just keep it on. We're done. We're ready to take these rollers out, and you're gonna see the final reveal with me. We're gonna see it together. I did my makeup while they were setting, so they've been in these clips for like over an hour. I'm nervous. Oh my God.